Okay, now we are going to be on page 288 in my book, and we're going to add what's called the claw. And the claw goes out here on the end of this yellow part. So I go up to place, and I'm going to find the claw, and I'll click on that once and say open, and this is here. I'm just gonna place this right now, and then I can hit escape to stop placing this. And you'll see this comes in and it's got our degrees of freedom on here. Now, this has to turn so that this ledge here is facing the inside. So we're going to use a tool here called free rotate. So go up to your assemble tab, and down in the second box over you'll see position. There's free rotate right there, and I'm just going to click on that item. And what I want to do is, and if you're looking in your book, you're going to see the way that they recommend you set this up. So basically, they flip it around so that you can see the inside of this hole right here. So right now, I can see that hole on the inside right there. So let's go with the next thing. So let's see, circles and lines through quadrants, click and drag and move on until you can see the inside face. Right click it and say OK from the marking menu. Okay. Now I'm going to constrain the claw onto the spider arm, and how I go about doing that is I hit constrain. When you use the insert tool, I'm going to select the inside lower hole right here, and because this is the surface that I want it onto, I'm going to click the hole right there, and I'll click that and hit apply, and we'll just move that down so that we can see it, and I'll cancel it. And what you'll notice is that this is going to pivot around the axis that goes through those two holes. Now we're going to line up this longer link also. So I'm going to click on this and just bring this down right to here. And I'm going to pause for a second so I can do a little bit of reading ahead, just to make sure I do this similar to what they show us. Okay, so here's what we're going to work on. We're going to do the constraint, and I'm going to use the insert tool, and I'm going to click this inside surface on the left hand side of this component, and the circle on this buckle, and I'll click that, and it popped it together. I'm going to hit apply. Now let's do something here. I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to move this out just so that it's a little bit closer, and pardon me, I'm going to use a mate tool or command, a mate constraint. So I'm going to hit constrain. I'm going to do just a regular mate, just like we've done before. I'm going to click the inside barrel of this thing and the inside barrel of that hole, and you'll see it snap over. And now let's go see what that did. Oh, well, it changed the position of this. Okay, so I'm going to hit escape a couple times, and I'm going to click on this, and what you'll notice is it goes all wonky on me here. I'm going to undo that, and when I take this what did we call that thing, the claw, and just move it out, you're going to see that we have motion here between the claw, this L-shaped bracket, this short one, and this guy up here. it goes back and forth a little bit. Okay? All right.